Hi, welcome back to my quest of putting myself in customer shoes of Temu. I finally got my package, and today we're gonna have an unboxing and going through the experience of delivery of this package together. So basically, as you can see, this is contrary to my expectations, a flimsy wrapped plastic bag package, and I was expecting like a box, as you would usually get from, let's say, Amazon, a box. And there's no logo of Temu on it, as you can see here. So if you are ordering too many things online, you might not know if this is the Temu one. And the other thing is that I have these grinders hanging here, and I'm not sure if they're not damaged or what. I can feel that they're with bubble wraps, but I'm not sure. I'm a bit worried now because there are some scratches on the plastic, and I don't know if everything is safe or what. And also, it took them 9 days to deliver this to me. Interestingly enough, I had to change my address. I remember that I put my address with a mistake, so I had to update my address immediately after I made the order. But there was not a problem. They smoothly changed it and it didn't affect the delivery, which was a good experience on my side. During these 9 days, they sent me 6 emails, and I also was able to follow up the delivery process from the app. As you can see, they give you different ways of following up, seeing where the shipment is going, and if you want to be in touch with your local courier, there's always an option. And then I also noticed that I bought these items from two different providers, but they packaged it in one plastic bag together. So let's open it up. As I mentioned, this is a plastic, probably waterproof wrap, and you don't see any logo of Temu here. This probably is that sofa tray. We'll come back to it. The grinder, finally. The other one. Yep, the ironing cloth. These two are in the bubble wrap and no logo, no instructions, nothing fancy, basically. Let me open it up. These two are basically what I expect them to be. For the money that I have paid for this, I think it's worth it. Again, it's nothing fancy. I'll come back to this. This one, the sofa tray, it is damaged. The box has some damages, and I hope everything is intact. Let's open it up. Like the rest of them, this was also in a bubble wrap. There's this label here, which I don't know what it is. And this would open up to be like this. It smells a bit like a glue, but I think it does the work. I was not expecting something fancy. Again, yeah, I just have to put it on my sofa and see how it works. Last but not least, it's a very plastic-ish thingy with not much of a finishing. You'll see here. And I don't expect it to last for like years, probably a couple of months, and that's it. Overall, I would say value for money is pretty good, and I did not have any problems with the shipping. So let me know what your experience have been with Temu products. Follow along for the next technical view of all of these products. Bye!